Do you know Google is a very popular company and there are people out there making huge amount of money with the help of Google and keeping it secret to themselves. So I decided to make a video to show only my subscriber another way to make significant amount of money online with the help of Google. But keep in mind, this we're going to keep it secret in my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Tosin Ajiboye, and if you haven't, do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel because this is what we do on this channel. I'll show you tons of videos on how to make money online. You don't want to miss out on that. Subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell button so each time when I create new videos you will get notified. So with that being said, let's move on into today's video. Alright, welcome back everybody. So our first step for today make money online method is that we want to go to Google, alright, and then we're going to write Google News on the search, okay, and it's going to bring us to this place here. So we're going to choose the first one here, Google News. So when we click on it, it's going to bring us to this page here, okay. So this is already Google News. As you can see here, they write it on the left side, Google News. So this is where we're going to see different trendy articles, fresh articles that we can reuse for today's method. So keep on watching this video. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to be needing these articles for, alright. So for example, there are so many categories here. If you look at the left side here, we have so many categories of articles that we can use for today's method. As you can see, we have business, technology, entertainment, sport, science, and health, okay. But I choose health category, so you can see there are so many type of articles here on health categories. But I found this one here. It's written for this last 7 hours, okay. The Oregon's COVID-19 vaccines rate is 70%, okay. So when we click on these articles here, it's going to bring us to this next page. As you can see, this is the headline: Oregon's COVID-19 vaccination rate it's 70%. So this is what we're going to use for today's video, and this is now the step number 2, that we're going to find a trending articles like these ones here. This is what we're going to be using, okay. That's step number 2. Now we're going to go to the step number 3, which is we're going to go to spin boats, okay. This is the boat that we're going to be using to make money. So this is already spinboat.com. so what we want to do now is that we go back to these articles, how to use spinboat. We just want to copy some articles here, alright. So let me just copy these articles here. When we just copy it, we now go back to Spinboat, okay. We have 2 boxes here in Spinboat. This is the first box here on the top, and under here we also have the second box where it's written and where they write rewriting text, okay. So what we want to do is that we want to go to the top, the first box, and this is where we're going to paste this article we've copied. So we're going to paste it here, okay. So as you can see, let's just go through this text. It's written: the Oregon Health Authority announced the milestone in a press release based on data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, okay. So now then we'll go down to this next step here, where we can click this box to show us that we are human being, okay. So we're going to click on the box. So after clicking on the box, we just need to verify what is here, okay. It's written: please click each image contain a bicycle, okay. So we can see that here is a bicycle, another bicycle here, and there's the third bicycle. Click on verify, and now we are verified. And then after, we click on go. So you can see here in the second box, now this text is already rewriting. So let me just read the rewriting text here. The Oregon Health Authority reported the achievement in a public statement dependent on information from the Centers for disease control and prevention. So this test is already writing here in the second box. Now I'm going to go to the next step, which is step number 4. This is the best part of this step, because this is what we're going to be using to make money for us, okay, with this method. So what we want to do, that we want to go to this first. I'll be showing you 3 platforms, okay. The first platform to make money is Textbroker. We want to go to Textbroker. This is where we're going to come to use this test and make money for us. As you can see, this is already textbroker.com, and we can, when we go down here, we will see that if you have a 5-star, which is very easy to get, when your content got 5 stars, then you can make much money with that. As you can see, with 2 stars you get 70 cents per word, with 3 stars you get 1 cent per word, and with 4 stars you get 1.4 cents per word, and with 5 stars you get 5 cents per word, which is very, very good, okay. And it is very, very easy for us to get this 5-star, because we are using the combination of Google News, because these articles we get on Google News are trending articles, because they are uploaded every hour. As you can see, this article we're using is already 7 hours ago, so they are very fresh articles. This is why it's very easy for us to get these 5 stars. So now we can just easily go to calculate how much we're gonna get per words, assuming when we get 5 stars already, okay, and we have 1,000 words, we get to get $50 for that. And let's see if you can increase it to at least, let's say, 10,000 words, which is very, very easy to get. With these steps I show you, with the help of this spinboard, you can get $500 per 10,000 words, which is very, very easy to generate using exactly this method I'm showing you in this video. All right, and now the next website that we can use to earn money is called eWriter with this method, okay. So we can use eWriter to earn money. All you just need first is to come here and register for eWriter, and you can start using it to earn money with this method I'm showing you in today's video. So as you can see here, if you have a 5-star, these are the payment for 5-star owners. If you have a 5-star, you can get for 150 words $13, and it goes up to, even when you get 6,000 words, you earn $435 for each 6,000 words. So it is very easy when you use this method that I show you in this video. It's very easy for you to get 5-star, because your articles are trending articles, and they are fresh articles that are uploaded in Google News every hour. Okay. As you can see, with 4-star you can become a Elite Plus, and you can start earning the most money this platform. And the third platform I'm going to show you is called scripted.com. So this is already scripted.com. To join scripted.com is very easy. You just need to go here and click the get started, okay, and first you click this become a writer. So, and then you can apply to become a freelancer writer, and you're going to earn money for each articles you uploaded on this scripted. So I hope you gain much value in this video, and if so, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that, because to make this video to be shown to more people that want to learn ways to earn money out there, okay. And if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video.